Welcome to the 5-Minute Business Boost, where you get to choose your 5-minute investment. I'm your host, Sam Hicks, and today we're diving into the fascinating world of creating content that goes viral. This would happen to be one of the most requested questions I get from new business owners. So this episode is about unlocking those little secrets to make your posts, videos and stories explode in popularity online. We'll cover how to increase your chances of going viral all in 5 minutes. So let's get cracking. So you might be wondering, what does it take for content to go viral? Now, I'm here to tell you, I'm sorry people, if you wanted a quick fix, there is no magical formula, but there are strategies that can significantly enhance your chances. You only have to look on Instagram and TikTok with the event of short form video and reels. So you sort of get where I'm coming from. If you look at accounts like I have over the last couple of years, there seems to be a few common bottom denominators. Can't even say bottom and denominators in the right sentence. Well, in the sentence itself. Alrighty, so let's get back on track. Number 1, you need to craft exceptional content. First and foremost, creating high quality content is the bedrock of going viral. Whether it's a blog post, video or social media update, it should resonate with your target audience or your followers. Make it informative, entertaining or emotionally engaging. Address needs and interests. Remember, a well-crafted message is also the key to virality. Ease of sharing. Number 2, it's essential to make your content easy to share. Include social media sharing buttons on your website or your platforms. Remove any friction that might prevent your audience from spreading the word. The easier it is to share, the more likely it is to go viral. Now, for some small businesses and larger business, active promotion is key. So this is number 3. Actively share your content across various online platforms. The wider the reach, the better the chances of going viral. Use your social media channels to your advantage and cross-promote across different platforms. Now, for me, I've never had a post that's gone viral. That's not what I'm doing in my business at the moment. But when I look at the same content posted on Instagram, say, as opposed posted on TikTok, sometimes something on TikTok will get thousands of plays or views or comments or likes, whereas sometimes on Instagram, not so much. Other times, it's the reverse. No engagement on TikTok, but lots of engagement on Instagram. So that is about really understanding your audience, the people that follow, like, and engage with your stuff. Okay, so paid promotion. You can consider using paid promotion, such as social media ads, to extend your reach and target a broader audience. Paid advertising can be a smart investment, especially when your content has viral potential. Now, Sam, I can hear people saying, but Sam, what about those content creators on TikTok that don't do any paid promotion? They just go viral. They've done it without paid promotion. Yeah, that's correct. But they might be on a trajectory of producing a lot of content day in, day out, and all of a sudden they trip over something that has all those components of humour and digging at the heartstrings and all those things, and suddenly it goes viral. It might be also topical. So paid promotion may not come into that. Number 5, where you can collaborate. Collaboration is a powerful tool. You can partner with other businesses or influencers who share your niche. The larger their following is, the better it can help your content gain traction. So, some extra thoughts. So I suppose these are like the tips and tricks. Use eye-catching visuals that capture attention. Craft catchy headlines that pique curiosity. Incorporate storytelling. It's memorable and engaging. Stay current and relevant to ongoing trends or events. Inject humour. It's shareable and relatable. Now, this is an interesting point because some of the recent Reels and TikTok content that has gone viral, so, I'm talking, 500,000 likes, plays, whatever, a lot of it has got around to doing that whole aspect of humour. So whether or not it's laughing at the content creator, laughing at a Karen out there, or whatever it might be, it has got a slight, if not a full-blown humour aspect to it. So think about that, because it is shareable and it is relatable. But overboard of all of that, you need to be authentic and let your unique voice shine through. If you look at some of the top Instagram accounts and TikTok accounts, usually they are just everyday, run-of-the-mill people. They express their authenticity, their real life scenarios. They're laughing at things that happen in the course of their day. They might get upset or have a rant about something that's happened to them or a friend. And it's so authentic, and people just are drawn to it like moths to a flame. So above all, you need to be authentic. So there you have it. That's the essential tips that I've nominated or found out about how to increase the chances of your content going viral. Remember, there's no guaranteed recipe. If there was, we'd all be doing it. But by following these strategies and being authentic in your approach, you can boost your content's potential to go viral. Now, while striving, and it's a bit of a disclaimer, while striving for viral success is very exciting and you can have a lot of fun. Some of the content creators I've seen with their reels and their TikToks, I end up crying. I'm laughing that hard. So, but remember, at the end of the day, it's not about that sole objective of marketing. It's crucial to focus on creating content that adds value to your audience and aligns with your broader marketing goals. A well-rounded marketing strategy aims for that consistency, engagement, and long-term relationship with your customers, your clients, or your followers. So, thanks for tuning in to the 5-Minute Business Boost. For more information, follow me on social media, sign up for my newsletter, or check out my website for up-and-coming workshops and courses and how we can work together to reach your small business goals. And always remember, anything is possible, especially in the beautiful region of Northeast Victoria. Until next time, cheerio.